Hey everyone, my name is Shubham and welcome to Photoshop Selections Master Course. In this course, I am going to help you truly understand the tools and techniques that are available for creating and fine-tuning selections in Photoshop. We will start by learning basic selection tools like Marquee Tools, Lasso Tools, Beginner's Favorite Quick Selection, Object Selection, and the Magic Wand tool. Then we will dive deep into the advanced concepts of pen tool, direct selection and the path selection tool, and I promise after this course you are not going to be afraid from using pen tool for any kind of selections. We will master the color based selection techniques like select color range, channel selection, and know the best case scenario to use them. We will learn to deal with select subject, refining selections using select and mask, masking hairs even from the busiest backgrounds, and tools and techniques to further refine them. By the end of this course, we will see the properties that will help you to decide the best selection method for an image, and I promise after completing this course, what takes you 30 minutes to mask will take you just 30 seconds. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up and I will see you soon.